morning, everyone. My name is Akansha Gupta. I'm studying the
Start your presentation. It's already started.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Akansha Gupta, student of BCom First Semester. I'm studying in Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay Girls PG College. And today I'm here for my presentation topic, inflation. Now let's talk about the inflation. Inflation is something that we all experience in our daily life. When we notice that the price of vegetables, petroleum, or water increases compared to the last year, this is inflation. In other words, inflation is a continuous rise in the price of all goods and services over a time. Then the causes of inflation, there are so many causes of inflation. The first cause of inflation is increase in money supply. When there is a too much money available in the economy, consumers spend more. It will increases the demand. And rising in production cost. If wages, raw materials, fuel increases, it can make the production cost also increases. It pushes the prices up. Then expectations of inflation. When the consumer expects that the prices will rise in future, then he will buy more and more today because the prices will rise in future. It will automatically increases the prices up. When the shortage of products, like some unexpected events happen, like poor rainfall, or natural disaster, or wars, it will create automatically price up. And the types of inflation, there are mainly two types of inflation: demand pull inflation and cost push inflation. Demand pull inflation occurs when demand in the economy is greater than the supply. In other words, we can say that too much money chasing few goods. For a real world example is demand pull inflation is in India during the festive season. The demand for goods like electronics, golds, or clothes rises sharply, which leading to a higher prices. The second one is cost push inflation. Cost push inflation occurs when the cost of production increases as the producer pass on that cost to customer. A real world example is the Russia-Ukraine war in 2022, which leads to a crude oil or wheat prices globally high. And in India, this increases the transportation and food costs, which creates a cost push inflation. The difference is clear that the demand pull inflation is caused by the customer, and the cost push inflation is caused by the producer. Because producer push up the price due to higher cost, and the customer pull up the price due to a higher price. And there is a negative consequences of high inflation on consumer businesses and the overall economy. On consumers, it will reduces their purchasing power so that they didn't afford to buy basic necessities. On businesses, it will reduces their profit margin, raising the production cost, which makes their uncertainty in investment and planning. And the overall economy, high inflation slow down the economic growth and discourages the foreign investment. It may even create a wage price spiral. Wage price spiral where the demand for workers increases due to a higher prices, and the prices automatically will change because the wages demanded by the workers is automatically high, so the prices up. It will create a cost push inflation. In conclusion, I only want to say that the inflation is a common economic problem which is controlled by the government or the central government. There is a inflation is a double-edged sword because middle inflation supports economic growth, but a high or uncontrollable inflation cause harms to consumer, business economy, or the growth of the business now. Thank you everyone. Thank you for listening.
A big round of applause. Thank you, Harsha. It was very nice presentation. Thank you.